take that back. You better take that back, okay? But you didn't like the fact that I could back that with the flick and a swish and I call it a day. 'Cause I wanna be, say, what's it gonna be, girl, what you wanna be? Come on, say it, shit, think I wanna be a baller. So I walk my walk, now I've said it. If these walls could talk, I would let it. I leave you just for the aesthetic. These thoughts won't stop till I get it. Now my bedroom, a stadium. You know me, we'll make it. If you're coming for the screen, I'll say ya. Can you stop that? Feet apart, keep your eye on the target. Elbows in with the touch of a scarlet. Follow through, it's your end at the bargain. Think like an artist. Cause I wanna be a baller. You can laugh if you want to. 我实在是不敢偷了 Cause I can't afford to 我想进步就是辛苦寻找幸福所以一步一步一步地来不能嫉妒如果迷路一定记住这是艺术的一步一步一部分 I gotta call you from sound on Hope he doesn't think I'm a fluke He can count on me Cause I'm about to make a hit that I'm proud of About to shoot from the ground up So what's a girl to do with her degree in economics The ROI I don't really get the logic What are options? We're stocks in Ableton and I'm locked in Feet apart, keep your eye on the target Elbows in with a touch of a scarlet Follow through, it's your end at the bargain Watch you spin you the fuck out of college I'm beginning to feel a catharsis Inner critic, no longer the harshest I'm doing it, oh and starting to think like an artist Say it again, what you scared of? You don't wanna know the truth You don't wanna know the truth You wanna know the truth I never really liked the Sing it from your chest